let's get right into our next mission, which is on audio. So you see, audio is a very short mission. There's only two tutorials to do, so kind of one main thing to do, and then you're done. So let's go look at that real quick. And actually, let's go ahead and share my screen to you instead of blanking. I think that's better than just blanking out your screen. Reminder, when I'm up here at the beginning of the week explaining everything, you should have your phones down. You should be paying attention to what I'm telling you. You should have headphones off your head, out of your ears, listening, paying attention so you know what to do. Okay, here we go. You can all see my screen, right? Still new to that. Okay. Cool. So the first tutorial is called, oh, somebody turn your audio down, please. I got an echo. So I don't hear myself echoing over there. Okay. So it's called Create an Immersive Soundscape. All right. Who in here plays music or makes beats of any kind? Oh, cool. Yeah. Nice. Skylar, I know you play music. All right. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this mission, those of you that are into making beats and music. One of the cool things about creating sound in a game, especially a 3D game, is you can create immersive sound, meaning sounds get louder as you get closer to them and quieter when you get away from them. All right, so here's my completed version of these tutorials, just so you can get an idea of what. Bilal, you're not responding? What happened? Okay, let's check. Hopefully this is not too loud. Haven't tested the audio up here. Watch out. Maybe. Loading. Okay, there it is. Oh, not too bad. I tried to not blow you out of the water because... Oh yeah, it's way too loud. Let me just turn down that exact thing. Okay, there we go. Turn Chrome down a little bit. All right, so you can hear several sounds happening right there. There's kind of a humming sound. There's a water sound from the boiling pot. Let me make this full screen. Okay, here we go. So you are going to build out something like this. Actually, you don't actually have to actually build it yet, but you're going to be creating it. So there's our boiling pot of water. They have you add that in, and then make sure you get a sound clip on it. That humming sounds from the refrigerator. Notice when I go outside, the birds do get louder as I get kind of further outside. Okay. So that's your little demo you're going to make in this tutorial. And when you're done with that, the next tutorial is called More Things to Try. Remember, with all these missions, there's always a tutorial at the end that shows you more things you can do with it. So kind of think about these as like extra credit if you complete these. Or if you're just done with your tutorials. I know a lot of you are finishing your week's worth of tutorials early and wanting more to do. And you're like, Mr. Brooks, what do I do? There's a lot of things to do here. Do all of them. Okay? In every one of these more things to try, there's 3 different levels: easy, medium, and expert. Do them all. Why not just do them all if you want more things to do? Yeah, you are supposed to do them. But it's not something I'm counting as a grade because it's just something you should want to do. You're furthering out your learning in this subject. So you can tell even like the humming from the refrigerator, it was something in the more things to try. It was the easy part. So do all 3 of these. Be an expert. Good job, Admiral. Also, remember at the end of each mission, you've got a practice quiz here on the Unity Learn website, and then you have a real one on Canvas. And the first attempt in Canvas is the one that goes in the gradebook. So get it perfect here first on the practice quiz on the Unity Learn website. And I always put a link on Canvas, like right before the actual quiz. I'll put a link to the practice mission. So you don't even have to go find it yourself. It's right there. Okay.